National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, north central Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Moore in southern Oklahoma City, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Moore, Midwest City, Gulf City, Spencer, Tacoma Park, Valley Brook, Tinker Air Force Base, Forest Park, and Smith Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Right here.